Okay, I wanted to share another drill that we use in the curriculum, and I call this a pattern drill, which is just like it sounds. We are using patterns with letters that we have learned and creating strings of letters across the page. So, for example, if we have learned L, M, N, and O, I might say create a pattern with these letters. So maybe on the first line I would do L, M, L, M. And this is another drill that is going to get our arm moving across the page and our page moving across the desk. And it's going to allow us to work on letter connections and letter spacing. So I can kind of see, okay, this is looking further apart than some of the rest of my letters, so I'm going to work on the O to the N connection. There we go. And then we might do L, M, N, O. L, M, N, O. So I'm just creating strings of letters all the way across the page. We do still use these when we get to capitals, and because capitals don't always connect to the following letter, I just say, you know, maybe start with, let's do a P, A, P, A. Then we can lift P, A, P, A. Or maybe a L, O, L, O. L, O, L, O. So if you are using capitals for your exercise that day, then you will need to lift between some of those. So again, make it fun. They can use their different pens that they have in the kit, and you're just going to practice. Oops, that one doesn't want to work right now. I'm not going to fiddle with it. I'm just going to grab this one. Z, I, Z, O. Z, I, Z, O. So I'm practicing my spacing and my letter shapes, and I'm practicing moving my page so that my hand stays in that optimal writing zone. So Z, I, Z, O. Z, I, Z, O. Z, I, Z, O. Z, I. And there you have a pattern drill, or a string of letters across the page. Pattern drills are things that we use to practice cross drills and our warm-ups, as well as applying them in the writing journal as part of the curriculum. But there's a sample of pattern drills, something you'll find in the Cursive Connection. Let me know if you have any questions or want to see anything else. Otherwise, as always, happy writing, and I will see you in the next one.